Hey, let's learn about what are all these Snapchat Plus features. So if you haven't seen already, Snapchat launched Snapchat Plus, an exclusive experimental and pre-release features. So let's break it down. First of all, you get custom app icons. So the icon that you see right here, the regular Snapchat, you can change that to your liking. You can choose from any of these many that they have created for you. Next, you have chat wallpaper. So you might have seen this in apps like WhatsApp as well, where you can choose what the background will look like when you're texting someone. We also have custom app themes. You can customize the look of your Snapchat, and number one best friend. You can pin someone as your number one best friend and select them forever, which is super cool. Next, we also have story rewatch. You can see how many friends rewatch your stories, which is definitely really cool. We also have post view emoji. So you can pick an emoji that you want your friends to see after they view your snaps. Lastly, we have a couple more things, including Bimoji backgrounds, Snapchat Plus badge, and custom story expiration. So you can set your story snaps to expire in 1 hour or 1 week. That is definitely a game changer. We also have the Snapchat Plus badge, so it will show up and add some flair to your name by displaying that you are a Snapchat Plus member. You also get to see your friends in orbit with you through the solar system. You get story boost, so you do get more views on your story. Priority stories replies is also super cool. Your replies will be more visible to Snapchat stars, which is super nice if you're into that. You also get to accessorize your look on the map. You get to customize the personality for your AI, replay your snaps before they're gone, and so much more. Now, it is an annual plan of $30 a year or $2.50 a month, and you can subscribe, but I definitely recommend getting the free trial before. So go check that out, and they also have other plans too.